How to install Google Play Store on PC and run Android games and apps on laptop. Do you want to install and run Android apps or play mobile games on PC or laptop? Play Free Fire, PUBG, Mobile Legends, Brawl Stars, and 100 millions more. Google Play Store is designed for Android devices. Is Play Store available on PC? While there is no direct way to download Google Play Store on your PC, however, in this video I will show you easy way to run Google Play Store on any Windows PC or laptop. So, let us start download and install Google Play Store on PC using an Android emulator. Go to Google on your PC or laptop. Now just search for Moomoo Player. Visit the official website of the Android emulator. Moomoo Player is, according to many users, one of the best Android emulators on the market right now in terms of performance. It's capable of delivering high responsiveness, high-definition graphics and hardly any FPS drops, even on computers with limited specs. Moomoo Player is a free Android emulator to play mobile games on PC with mouse and keyboard. Moomoo Player perfectly supports Free Fire. Simply download and install Moomoo to play mobile games on PC. Open the installer setup file and click the Install Now button to start the installation on your Windows PC or laptop. Please note that the process can take some time, depending on your PC and internet speed. After finishing the installation, you need to click and sign in to Google Play Store with your Google account. Now you can download and install the apps or the Android games you want via the store and use them. So, this is the easy to install Google Play Store app on PC or laptop if you want to run Android apps and play Android games on your PC or laptop. Thanks for watching this video. And don't forget to hit the like button below the video and share it with your friends. If you want more videos like this, then tap on the subscribe button and join us.